Hello everybody, welcome to Maths Cook House, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of another family favorite, Achari Egg Masala Curry, a spicy and lip-smacking egg curry infused with the flavors of pickle. To begin, hard-boiled 4 eggs, peel and make gashes along the length so that the masala can soak in. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Saute the eggs until they lightly colorize. This adds extra flavor to the egg curry. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the achari masala, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds sarson, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds jeera, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds saunf, half a teaspoon fenugreek seeds methi dana, and quarter teaspoon nigella seeds kalonji. Allow them to crackle. Add in 2 medium onions finely chopped and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Saute until the onions are translucent. Add in 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Saute until the onions colorize. Do not brown. Next, add in 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Add in a teaspoon of salt. This helps the tomatoes cook faster. Cook until the tomatoes soften. Now add in the dry masalas. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder haldi, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera, and 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania. Mix well. Add a bit of water. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and mix well. Cover with a lid and cook until the oil starts appearing on the sides. Next, add in 2 teaspoons tamarind paste and mix. Now add in the boiled eggs and mix until well coated. Finally, add in a teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix well. Adjust the gravy as per your taste. The Achari Egg Masala Curry is ready to serve. Serve hot with puris or parothas. For more such recipes, follow me at Maths Cook House and be sure to like, share and subscribe.